I find this event on global partnerships of brain research really important because it brings key opinion leaders from around the world, including policymakers, funders, researchers, patient advocates, because it's only through kind of collaborative discussions that we can advance brain research based on data available to advance our understanding in health and disease. And also another key thing is, for me, coming from Africa, I think it's really important for me to be able to meet with some of these key opinion leaders to discuss some of the challenges and opportunities that are out there in African neuroscience, which can help us, towards better understanding of brain diseases on a global scale. So global collaboration is very, very important because the brain research is a global thing. Diseases, although can affect populations differently, but they all have some similarities and uniqueness. And it is only through studying diverse population, taking data from different continents, comparing it together, that we can have a holistic understanding of what our brain does in health and disease. So this event is particularly very important in that regards because of the diverse speakers that it has brought from different places around the world. So African neuroscience have so many unique domains of distinction, which makes it really, really different compared to other continents. For example, the genetic diversity, the diversity in the African flora and fauna and ecosystem, and many other different things. However, African neuroscientists have been unable to fully utilize these opportunities, and this is because of the barriers facing them, such as lack of funding, equipment, etc. So to help us towards kind of improving, their kind of competence as well as ability to catalyze breakthroughs based on these unique domains of distinction, we need to support African-based researchers, to establish their laboratories and niche in their own local domains. Through that, they end up supporting the upcoming, generation of scientists, but also building the competence and track record to apply for external fundings. And obviously, as a second reason, if we look at the way brain research is happening today, there are a lot of opportunities that we can learn from studying the African brain because of its unique diversity. For example, in the field of Alzheimer's disease, there are genetic risk factors that are specific for the European and Asian population, which is not the same for African population. So by advancing African neuroscience research, we are actually going to learn more about how we can tackle such diseases in a more broader scale.